Hello, this is post-editing BoxEmilia. I'm just here to let you know that the editing is a little wonky compared to the previous videos, and that's because I was never really good at recording both my screen and my face at the same time, so just bear with it, okay? Uh, it'll get better next video, hopefully, whenever the heck that comes out. Enjoy, please. Hello, and welcome back to Amelia's Box. It's been a very long time. I know I said I was gonna make summer videos, but that never happened because I got pretty lazy, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of just went to work and play video games. Today's video, I say this all the time, dude. I say, today's video is gonna be a little different. And then it's just something, I don't know. I was gonna make a video, like, see, I have... One second. What is this? This is what I freaking get, bro. Alright, you know what? That was like instant karma. I would have found this out like 2 weeks ago if I actually made the video. I was planning on fixing my iPod because the headphone jack is like messed up because it only like plays audio through the left ear unless you like push it and it's just breaking it more. But yeah, I have the adhesive for the battery. They didn't give me the part though. I could just be really dumb and just missed it, but whatever. That was that. Today's video, what is it gonna be? How is it any different? I'm just gonna show a little demo of my CS project for school because I don't know what else to do. I was gonna make it for my actual class, but my partner already did that, so we're just gonna do this anyway. This is like the 5th recording because I kept getting messed up. There's like the first one. And then also has the G. Ah, my ears! Oh my gosh. But yeah, let's just get to it. This is a demo for MP3Me. That's what I called it because I don't know. I'm really bad at naming things, I guess. And it's basically just a MP3 player on your computer. It was supposed to be like a library, but we didn't get that far because we started pretty late. I'm not gonna lie. So how do you run MP3Me? First off, you clone the repository. Yeah, am I gonna link it? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I might not link it, but yeah. And then once you have it cloned, you simply just go to the directory where the thing is at. So in my case, it's gonna be in... Where the f is it? Oh, it's gonna be in projects. Look, there you go, MP3Me, look at that. We're not gonna talk about this. This is like arguably some of the worst code I've ever written in my life. I wrote that like a year ago, not even a year ago, bro. It was like a semester ago. It's so gross. All right, anyways, MP3Me. And then this is what you want right here. You want to go to songs. This is where you input all your songs, your MP3 files. I'm pretty sure you can also use like FLAC and stuff. I don't have that. I only have MP3 files, okay? But anyways, you just drag any of the songs you own into this songs directory. And then in your terminal, what you want to do is go to, in your terminal, you want to go to where the project is, where you cloned it. And then you just want to go to the build directory. And then from there, you want to type cmake ... And make sure you have CMake installed. Also, yeah, here's the thing, on Linux too, I don't know why, it was giving me so many errors. You have to download like a whole bunch of stuff. Because in this project, I used a couple of external libraries, like SFML. Like, you need to download like so much random crap on Linux for some reason. But on like Mac, my partner had no issue, so if you're on Mac, then nice job. Windows, I'm not gonna talk about that, bro. But anyways, back to it. So once you type cmake, that basically just makes the make file. So then you can just run make, and what that does is just compiles the entire project. Like if you want to look at the source right here, or you have to look at my project. And like we have assets, and that's just for the font we used, and then external, like I said, SFML and taglib. SFML was used for the actual playing and pausing, and like the actual like audio listening. While taglib was just for like the metadata, like getting the song title and all that stuff. And then yeah, anyways, once you're there, once you make the make file, once you run it, you just run the executable, which is in this case it's just MP3Me. And then what this does is, so in the terminal, you don't really have to look at this, but yeah, in the terminal, you see all the songs that were loaded, like oh yeah, Pichelato from Twice, all this jazz. That's all loaded. And then look, you can see them here. You can scroll. And also, yeah, this, I don't know, the font we chose, I guess it doesn't have any support for non-American characters. So that's why you see this. This is like Japanese, and I think this is also I don't know. I don't know if I can play this because it's copyright, but that didn't stop me from using copyright music before. So yeah, but anyways, yeah, there's a previous one, play button, and next one. As you can see, it's kind of Christmas themed because it's December 10th as I'm talking to you guys. And then yeah, you just kind of like click a song and play it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure I can't play this for you guys, so I'm just gonna turn that off. But yeah, you wanna pause it, you can click pause. There's no real visual indicator that it's paused, but it's paused. And then you wanna go to next song, next, and then yeah. And then also, yeah, I forgot to show you this. On the right, it actually also showed, because we were gonna implement a feature for it to be on the GUI, but we just didn't have enough time because this was due literally in like 6 minutes. So yeah, we kind of just stopped. So instead we just have it in the terminal. We're like, oh, there's like a max heap holding our top 5 songs. And then we also use graph because that was required. Oh yeah, also for the assignment, let's see. For the assignment, yeah, we had a couple of required things because it's a data structures class. So required are lists, stacks, and or queues, hash tables, trees, and graphs. But yeah, that's kind of it. I don't know. This is kind of like a whatever video. I'm low-key kind of bummed because I don't know where that part is to fix the iPod. So I'm kind of just like screwed. I got screwed over. Dude, it has to be here. Hang on. Dude, okay, yeah. Okay, I found it. Dude, it was so small that I could not see it in there. But yeah, here's the part. It's like the headphone jack / like, I think it's like the switch. So yeah. I'll see if I record. I low-key, I'm not gonna make any promises. But yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.